Hey, you heard that?
Leave it to higher up. What recipes do you have for me for I don't know what I'm doing right now. This is just for
That is what you would like.
June Plum.
June Plum.
June plum. Okay. So you're talking about the June plum now, right? So you have to put it in hot water,
The-
boil
the
it.
June Plum
wash it.
before, yes, wash them
Uh-huh.
off. After you wash them, you take them and you peel them.
Oh,
She
she
don't
said
have
I
to
could
peel
use
them.
the.
She
She
don't have
said
to
I could
peel
use
them.
the
Yes,
skin
if you don't want to
Just
peel,
core
you
it
cut
from
them,
the
you cut them
seed.
off.
Yeah.
From the seed.
After I boil them.
Core it from the seed before you boil them.
Oh. Oh.
That's what I was
I
saying.
thought
to
boiling
you.
would make it easier
No.
to peel.
No.
Oh.
Core it from the seed. It's
Oh.
easier. Core it from the seed. And then you boil it.
Then-
Or
then-
you don't
then-
have to
then-
boil it.
then-
Yeah.
You can
oh,
use some
no,
boiling
boil
water.
Oi, then I'm saying corn.
Don't boil it.
Don't boil.
Much better. You just throw it. Throw
You
the
use
boil water.
boil
Water.
water onto it.
Okay.
And blend it with that same
Hot
boil
water.
Make
water.
it cool down a little. And
Yeah, and blend it. And then
You don't put that to boil.
you strain.
Yeah.
water and
I
pour
boil
it
the
on
water and pour it on it.
Right.
Yeah, and then you strain it.
Strain it,
After
okay.
you blend it, you strain it because remember
All the pulp and
seeds,
everything.
Yeah, they carry those little
seeds?
prickles. So when you cut
Oh, so
from
I'm
it,
cutting the prickles too.
You
Okay.
cut off the
Yes.
kernel.
Okay.
You cut off the
Yes.
kernel.
some of
Okay.
it come into the flesh.
Yeah.
So it going and the skin
Yeah.
is a bit. So you're going to need to strain it before you drink.
Okay.
And you sweeten, use some sugar, honey, and lime.
I have lime. I have sugar. I have water. And I have some June plum.
And what you do, you tip a little salt
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
that
yeah,
watery taste
Yeah.
is not there. When you're drinking,
Mm.
you say it needs something, but the salt. will
You even do
bring-
the salt when you eat the June plum by itself.
Yeah,
like you put a
can
little
use
salt on it and you
salt.
just eat it.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
I just remembered.
Yeah.
Ah.
So the salt bring back that flavor to it.
So how
As
do you
if-
know when it's fit? When the June plum is fit?
When the June plum is fit.
Yes. If it's not
Yeah.
yellow yet.
Yes, without even yellow, you can look at it and it have that
It's near
green.
to yellow.
Yeah, it have that green.
Oh, so it has to
yellow.
start turning kind of
What
yellow.
what I see on your
Those were
tree,
fit.
those
yeah.
are ready.
Yeah, we picked those already.
Okay. Those are ready. Even at that stage, if you didn't pick them like how they look
Yeah.
there now, you could have.
The rest of
You
them
didn't
aren't
have
quite
to wait
there yet.
until it's ripe.
Uh.
You can. Tomorrow I'll show you out on the tree, and you will see what I mean when I said it's don't have to be proper ripe.
Yeah.
The skin don't have to be yellow
It just
or
has to be.
start turning yellow. But even though they have this green look, it shows that they are fit and ready to use.
Is it easily accessible or is it really tall?
Right there.
Yeah, is it really tall or is it short enough to reach?
Well, it's taller than me and you.
Can we reach it?
You can use a little stick
Oh.
that I have there to pick.
I was gonna see if I squeeze one and see how the one that's not fit and the one that's fit feel different.
No, you can see on the tree how it looks.
Oh, so you can tell just by looking at it.
Yeah. By looking at it, you can tell.
Well, you can tell.
Yes.
You can tell.
When you look, then you will say, but this one look like
You have
it's
at home.
soon ripe.
Mm.
But it has a green look.
Yeah.
And another one will look like it's young, it's not ready, it's just started to,
Girl.
yeah. You will see.